Welcome to Wasiya. Islamic Will is the most popular estate plan, recognized in most parts of the world. Islamic Will is misunderstood by many concerning terms in Islamic and legal contexts. What makes wills to be Islamic is an important question to address. Please click on subscribe to get updated with new Islamic estate planning knowledge. Create your strong, solid and smart estate plan before estate planning door closes. Door closes as soon as mental incapacity or death. What is Islamic Will? Islamic Will is the legal agreement created by the owner of the assets called testator. For example, when someone leaves with Islamic Will and dies, Islamic Will becomes legally binding, and no one can change it. Islamic Will covers the wishes to distribute estates after death. This needs an extra mile to see around by organizing assets and investments properly to cover under will. Islamic Will can protect the rights of inheritors if done properly. Creating a proper Islamic Will is important. Using free templates can be quite risky. Islamic Will is revocable before mental incapacity or death. Islamic Will can be changed anytime before mental incapacity or death. Islamic Will is effective only after death upon approval from the probate court. What is important to know regarding Islamic compliance for Islamic Will? Islamic Will is the last will for Muslims. Islamic Will must comply with Islamic law in addition to legal laws. Islamic inheritance law forms the foundation of Islamic Will. Islamic Will can meet the end goal only if distribution follows Islamic inheritance law after a person dies. Creating Islamic Will is a religious duty upon Muslims, and salvation depends. Creating Islamic Will is much similar to creating last will with major exceptions. What should I know about the validity of Islamic Will? Islamic Will can be verbal, written, or computerized. Verbally accepted under Islamic law, but since it is not legally binding, the only format of Islamic Will should follow is written or computerized. However, no restrictions exist in creating written or computerized will under Islamic law. Islamic Will is not valid if created on behalf of a mentally incapable person. Unless a person regains the mental capacity and validates the will with his signature in front of witnesses. This happens when someone tries to grab a person's assets who lost mental capacity. Your Islamic Will is valid only if estate distribution follows Islamic inheritance law after death. Creating Islamic Will requires visualization of successful estate planning. Islamic Will is valid even if created when you create trust. Islamic Will has to be created to provide backup to assets left out from trust. Islamic Will need to be registered if it is international will. The registration requirement may vary from country or jurisdiction for other types of will. Wasiya provides information whenever you need registration. Notarization of Islamic Will is necessary to give more validity and authenticity. What should I know about persons involved in Islamic Will? Islamic Will includes 3 persons. The first person is the testator, who owns the assets and creates the Islamic Will. The second person is the witness, who provides witnessing in the Islamic Will. The third person is the executor, who looks after many things when the testator dies. An executor is the only person who faces the probate. All these people cannot be the same. 2 Muslim male witnesses are required. 2 witnesses and 2 executors are used for Islamic Will as a minimum. Wasiya made Islamic Will easy and simple. No reason to delay, as it is an obligation. Now, this completes the tutorial. Hopefully, you will now be able to start your estate planning. We value and love your feedback. So, please remember to leave feedback. Thanks for watching.